Hey everybody, today I have got a electric diamond painting pen to do a review on. Now this was sent to me free of charge from a store on Amazon for an honest review, so I'm going to do just that. So the company's name is DIY Delights. It says this is white set, and apparently they come in 4 different colors. You've got blue, looks like pink, white, and purple. It says on this end it's got the electric suction technology, adjustable speed design, low noise design, and USB power supply. And then there is the operating voltage, which is a 5 volts at 1.5 W. Operational current is 500 mA. Motor speed is 5,000 RPMs. And it's going to have a power on and off, a pause, a accelerator, and a deceleration. So I have not looked at this. I just took it out of the Amazon box. I just got it today, actually. So it comes with the tube and the filter. So these filters are for, you put them in there so that if you have any dust or grime or dirt or even pet hair and you suck it up through the pen, it won't go into the machine. It'll stop right there into the filter. Looks like we have got 3 different, well, we've got 3 single placers. We've got 2 metal and 1 plastic. Alright. Looks like it comes with a pretty glittery pen. I guess this, if you want to shut it, I guess that goes on there. And then we have got the machine itself. Comes with one of these trays that you can shut, and then it has, that's pretty cute, little diamond. You can see it's a little diamond shaped stopper to where you can put your drills in there. There's the ridges. You shake them, and then you can pour them out through there. Then you can just put your little stopper back in. And then if you say you have to get up and take the dogs out or something, you can just leave your drills in there, shut it, and they won't spill out. It also has this little velvet drawstring bag so that you can put this in there, carry it with you if you need to. Say if you're going on vacation or a trip of some kind, or if you just want to take it to the park. Looks like it does have instructions, which is a nice touch. Pens, a lot of these new things don't come with one. So it tells you how to connect everything. And then that just tells you what is in here. So, yeah. Alright, so it does not come with the power box. You will have to get that yourself. But if you're like me, you've got 12.5 of them anyway, laying around. And if not, you can go to any store, Dollar Tree, the Dollar General, you know, anywhere, Walmart, whatever. Order you one off Amazon, and you can get the power boxes. Now, I'm going to say that I do like this that it is a long cord, and this looks like it's in the middle of the cord, so at least it's not down here on the end. So let me grab a power box. Alright, so you just take a power box, push that in there, and let me get this plugged in. And then we will look and see. Yeah, you got plenty of cord, so that's nice. So let me move some of this out of the way that we're not going to use. Okay, I was getting ready to say, where'd the other piece go? Alright, so you just take these tubes and it's pretty flexible. It's very rubbery. I have seen some that were stiff plastic fill-in tubes, but this is very, very movable. Alright, so you're just going to insert the tube into there. And let me make sure I am doing this correctly. Alright, so this part, is that correct? Okay. So, okay, hold up. Where'd them little things go? Right here. Alright, let's just open this up. Alright. So we're going to... Yep. So this piece goes in here. Yes, no. Maybe I should put it in. I think this goes in here. Maybe I had that right the first time. Alright. And then maybe... Does it screw in? Am I even doing this correctly? Hold on. Okay. So this does go in here. I just am not apparently pushing it in there good enough. There we go. Okay, so that does push in there. So I was correct. And then that just goes right into there. Okay, and then you're going to take one of these and it's just going to go in just like that. And these are just regular tips. Am I wrong? No. Okay. That's just a regular diamond painting tip, y'all. Alright, so this is your part that you put the other end of the hose into. Just make sure they're in snug. And then we have got the power switch here, which I am going to turn on. Okay. And I know that I have my air conditioner and a fan going, so y'all might not be able to hear that, but it's not very loud at all. If y'all can hear it. It's not very loud at all. Okay, so let's look and see. Let's try some of these. Everybody is always wondering how strong the suction is. We'll try their tray also. So this is just a little crystal off-canvas project. We'll just pour a few of those in there. Okay, the tray's pretty nice. Alright, so we are, you know what, I don't even know. What was that, a 1? So we are going to try this out. Okay, I think I have this on high. Okay, so pretty good. Picking them up pretty good. Alright. And these are just regular crystals. If y'all can see, it just sucks it right up. Pretty good. Okay, so we're going to pause it. So this middle button right here is to pause. Well, it's still sucking it up, but okay, there it went. Yeah. Okay. Alright, then we're going to unpause it. Then it starts that back up. Alright. Let's see if it will... Let's see. See if I can get these in here. Normally I would not be doing this. I would probably be pouring them into a container. Okay. I'm not even going to try because I am spilling them everywhere. Nothing to do with the tray. It's me trying to pour them into the bag. Okay, so we're just going to set those to the side. Okay, so let's try a bigger drill. Or a bigger... Let's try one of these. And then we'll try one of these. I want to see just how good the suction is on a heavier crystal. Alright, so these are D's. So we'll put a couple of those in there. And let's see, where does the D go? Well, there's one right there. Alright, just flip that over. Alright, and let's see if it'll pick this up. Ooh, it did. And this, like I said, this is just a regular single placer. You know, they're all hollow, even the ones in our regular pens. There we go. So there's that. So let's see if it will pick. Well, we know it'll pick this up if it picked that up. Alright, so this is an E. So, yep. So this is a pretty good suction, and it's not loud at all. So this is pretty good. So I'm going to leave the link in my description box for y'all to check out. And then when you get done, you just hit the power button, turned it off, and then you can just take this put your lid on. Yes, no. Looks like there's a spring in it. Should be able to. There. You push it. You don't screw it on. You push it. And then you just cap it up, and you can just put this up. And there you go. You can put it in your little bag. And that way you can carry it with you. And then you've got an extra tip. And again, these are just normal, regular single placer tips. So if you've got a bunch of your pink pins, you can just put it in there. You might be able to put, if they're hollow, you might even be able to put your stainless steel on there. I don't know. So yeah. So yeah, I like this one. I have done some reviews on some others that I didn't like, but this one I like pretty well. And I like that the cord is long, and that the on and off switch is right here. The pin is very cute and very comfortable. It's lightweight. So yeah, and this is not loud at all. You can just flip that over to on the top of your arm, and you can just get going. So all right, well, I will leave a link to this in my description box for y'all to check out. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give me a thumbs up, a like, and leave me a comment, and I appreciate you watching.